What will you do if one of your appliances breaks, or you decide you just don't want it anymore? Although some products may be recycled, the vast majority of them are thrown into household waste to then be dumped in landfill. Every year, 782,000 tonnes of small household appliances are taken to landfill in the UK alone. The Earth's population is set to rise to 9 billion by 2050, further increasing the amount of waste produced and the amount of finite resources used. How much waste do you think the planet can hold? The majority of products today are designed using a linear cycle: make, use, dispose, with little thought about the product's end of life. In order to change, we must work towards a circular economy where we reuse or recycle the products and materials much like the natural world. Currently, products are sourced, manufactured, assembled, packaged and sold in different parts of the world, producing alarming amounts of CO2 emissions as well as often exploiting cheap labour. Once these cheap and efficient products have been purchased and the money exchanged, there is little in the way of service to lengthen the product's lifespan, or to ensure the product is disposed of responsibly. These products come with small, uninteresting instruction manuals that provide very little information as to how to fix any parts of these products, which often have a very short expected lifespan. Appliances utilise tamper-proof fixings in order to comply with regulations. However, this prevents users from gaining access to components inside of the product, therefore rendering it useless when one fails. The design process of such products is directed entirely towards profit instead of ensuring long-lasting products and customer satisfaction. This is why we feel no connection towards them. We interact with these objects every day, but they've been designed so inconsiderately we rarely ever enjoy using them. This prevents us from establishing any emotional attachment to the product. Therefore, we don't really care when they break, we just buy a new one. So, what do you value? Spending time with loved ones, being appreciated by others, talking to your friends and family, and positive memories. Therefore, we value the things that have made these times possible. Your phone that allows you to talk to your friends you can't be with, the watch you own that has sentimental value, or the freedom your car gives to you. However, the one common thread within all of these things we value is who we enjoy them with: our friends, family, and loved ones. We need to start making informed decisions about our purchases instead of being blinded by cheap prices, and start considering the longevity of our products. Which materials have been used? Where have they come from? How much energy does this use? How long is it going to last me? Is it fixable? In 100 years, we may not be here, but our children will, and our children's children. Surely, they're worth changing for.
In order to change for the better, we must address these problems. The impact we are having on the environment, the exploitation of lower economically developed countries, our attitude towards consumption. Awareness of the problem must be raised. Change is needed, otherwise it will be our future generations that will suffer. At In.form, we believe there needs to be an ideological shift away from mass consumption, and we need to start being more socially, economically and environmentally conscious and responsible for our purchases. We want to create products that will last a lifetime, that are well engineered and beautifully designed. We want our designs to be innovative, with a sustainable life cycle, and considered of high quality.
Our products line up with our brand values. Every action has its consequences. It may not be visible now, but surely in the future. We found out that people throw away things because products are no longer usable or are broken. Replacing them is cheaper than fixing them. Newer things are available and products become out of date or unwanted, with objects devaluing over time. These are the problems and challenges that we tackle, and our product and brand have been carefully considered to minimise and, if possible, get rid of planned obsolescence.
We wanted to improve the usability aspect of the products, creating a greater interaction with the appliances that we use every day. Through our research, we have identified the components in these products that most commonly fail. From this, we have been able to improve the designs of these parts to reduce the amount of products breaking. By using an induction heater, we have been able to design the kettle and the flask as non-electronic devices, therefore removing several elements that could break. This also means that the kettle can be boiled on a regular hob. The toaster has also been designed to make repairing easier. The inside of the toaster is easily accessible, giving the user confidence to identify and repair the problem.
Innovation is the key in the future of good design. Our alternative perspective on how these everyday appliances are designed and interacted with has allowed us to create long-lasting products with a well-implemented service.
As humans, we are naturally attracted to beautiful objects. We strive to design beautifully well-crafted products that you will love and cherish. We have established a set of design criteria which will run consistently throughout the products that we create. Natural, simple, ergonomic, timeless, ease of use, and modular. True to the criteria, the kettle is simple by nature. Using form as an indicator of measurement, it is designed to be as minimal as possible. No garish plastic or bright lights, just simple forms. The kettle holds a comfortable 1.2 litres, or 5 cups of water, poured through a simple spout controlled by a bamboo handle for that personal, unique touch. Our flask allows you to drink on the go, utilising the visual indicator as a maximum fill line for your day's worth of coffee. Our intelligent base will sense the ambient temperature of the room, utilising the weight of the water inside the kettle to calculate the amount of time needed to boil. With a stainless steel body and ceramic sides, the toaster is semantic to the kitchen environment. To turn on the toaster, simply twist the dial to your time and leave to toast. The time will cut off the power when it's done.
We strive for the highest quality finished products. The three main materials we use in our products are porcelain, stainless steel and bamboo. We used porcelain for the body of the kettle, the flask lid and the toaster side panels. It has good strength as well as being a good insulator, therefore keeping the water inside hot for longer, in turn keeping the toaster exterior cooler. Porcelain does not mould or produce limescale, it is dishwasher safe and can be easily cleaned, therefore perfect for kitchen appliances. We use stainless steel for the heating element in both of our vessels, as well as on the body of the toaster. It is 100% recyclable and corrosion resistant. We have used bamboo on all the touch points across our range, on the lid and handle of the kettle, and on the lever of the toaster. Using bamboo will create a unique touch point each and every time.
Our products are sustainable throughout their life cycle, from the way they are manufactured and the materials used, to how the customer is able to interact with and perform repairs on the product.
Our first year will be spent promoting the brand, using social media platforms to gain exposure. Over time, we'll grow our client base from peer recommendations and positive reviews. After a number of years, our products will stand the test of time, with broken parts being replaced or fixed through the service, leaving customers satisfied.
There are 3 options available for customers to repair their products. These are home repair, postal repair and community repairer. The first option is for customers to repair their products at home. To be able to repair their products at home, the customer has 2 main contact points, our website and the manual which is provided with each product. The customer can repair their products at home by looking at the problem in their manual and following the identification system, then logging onto our website and ordering the parts. The parts needed will then be delivered and the customer can fix the product. The customer's second option is postal repair. If they believe the product cannot be repaired or have been directed through our manual or website to send it back to us due to mechanical failure in the product, they can use this service. Customers can use the postal repair system by simply packaging the product and then alerting us through either phone or email that the product has been sent. We will then notify them that the product has been received and then fix the product and deliver it back to them. The final option available is to use a community repairer. Local electricians or handymen could become verified repairers through paying us a small fee. They will then be listed on our website in a system that details their location. Customers can then use this database to select a repairer local to them. They can then arrange for the repair and for the product to be returned.
The homepage of the website defines our ethos. The animation shows people why we're tackling this problem, including a video of our design process which shows our journey. The product page has a great user interface, showing whole units, ranges and parts that can be purchased. The maintenance section of the website features a manual and regional verified tradesmen that can be contacted. Customers can also see an overview of how our service works, as well as search for any unanswered questions. The Follow Us page shows details of information where you can find out just exactly what's going on here at In.form. We also have an appliance tracker page where customers can log in. Here they can see how long they've owned their appliances and how much money it saved them on their energy bills. This feedback also connects them to the brand, creating the In.form family.